I just wanted to do a review on this power washer really fast. Save somebody else a lot of headache and money. This is the power washer I have right here. Karcher. And it's a 1700 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. It's fairly easy to assemble. It is super light, which made me really skeptical about it in the first place. And probably should have got a gas-powered one. This isn't bad for a homeowner, but depending on what you're going to use it for, I'm having some issues with it right now. So, as you see, it gives me a lot of pressure at first, and I have no kinks in my line or anything. Now look, then it just stops. Now it's getting really weak, now it's kicking back in again, and now it's getting really weak, and it's just spitting and sputtering. Now this machine is brand new. We only used it one other day before, and I'm struggling to get this up. It just kicked out again. Struggling to get this machine clean with this thing. So just wanted to give anybody a heads up before they buy this thing. I can just tell this hose here, it's really flimsy. It's not really heavy duty. This is really cheap plastic. But using this for commercial use, I could tell I would have this thing broken in like probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks tops. But I guess for a homeowner, it's alright, not a bad little machine. It started picking back up again, and it stayed steady. Allowed me to get the machine done. I don't know why it was spitting and sputtering, but you know, if you're looking to use it for commercial use, I would get something probably gas powered. I didn't feel like it had an extreme lot of pressure to really get the grease and grime off of the machine. It's good for a homeowner, I guess, if you're just going to use it here and there. So before you run out and buy this thing, definitely not worth the money. Pick something else.